What's up, guys? How you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Got another knife today. Yay. So this one is within the mission parameters. So it's a knife company I never owned before. Budget price. And this one's actually a style I don't own. So even more. So totally everything new to me. This one's called the CMB. What is it called? Called the FALCON. And it's a Karambit. You'll see that in a second. $54.95. So budget, right? Not too budget, kind of budget. But we'll get into all that in a second. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. All right, there we go. Haven't never owned one of these, so comes in as a case. That's a plus. I like cases. So let's open this thing up. I'm excited. And we got prizes. So nice cloth there. Cool. What else we got? Silica gel. Nice. Keep the mold out. And it's child seal. I can't open it. Oh well. Let's get all this crap out of the way. So, yep, not too much. Oh, the bag's ripped. Nice. So, even easier. Don't need that anyways. And here it is. So, G10 scales, AUS 10 blade. It's a Karambit. And I don't know why the hell I bought a freaking front flipper. I suck at these, but let's see. Oh, okay. Let's try that again. Maybe it's beginner's luck. All right. That actually opens really nice. I'm happy. Hold on one more time. See if it's droppy. Drops right in. Can I do this? Nope. Can I do reverse flick? Nope. We'll work on that. I'll practice. But yeah, I don't want to cut my fingers off. So let's pop that open again. Let's look at this freaking blade. So, like I said, not really my style. Let's get this crud off of there. Little knife juice. Get that off. It's not really my style blade. The only thing if I wanted to strip some branches or open an Amazon package, something like that, I guess it'd be nice. But it is cool looking. I'm not going to lie. Got a nice satin finish on it. That blade grind, you guys picking that up? It's kind of like I don't know. It's kind of uneven grind on there. It's not a big deal, but that's fine. But yeah, the blade looks pretty cool. Looks like a hawk or something. I do use in the kitchen. I use hawk bills, or what is that what we call them? Anyways, the hook knives I use that for like French and pork chop bones and stuff like that. But that's my cooking life. We're not going to talk about that. And on the back there, if you guys are picking that up, let's get in front of the camera, you idiot. Okay, there it goes. If you guys see that, it says AUS 10 right there. The blade is 2.6 inches long, so just a little guy, just a little blade. Handle's pretty cool though. Let's check out. Okay, wait, keep looking at the blade first. Got some jimping on there, so actually feels really good in the hand. The ergos are nice. You can put your finger in that hole. I guess that's how you use it, right? But yeah, I don't like to have my finger in a hole like that. I'd rather hold it on the outside. But yeah, it feels my hand real nice, and I have the big giant hand. So the blade itself is cool. Let's close it up. See, nice and drop shutty. I like that. All right, let's take a little tour around. Look at that, lefties rejoice. Reversible, nice. So I finally got one reversible. Why? I don't know why I always buy knives that are not reversible. Anyways, that's on me. But let's look around this side. Backspacer is actually the ring. That's kind of cool. Looks like. Oh, kind of weird. Whenever, anyways, maybe I'll take it apart later. Who knows? But nice, midway backspacer on there. The clip, it's definitely not a deep carry because it's got that loop on the end when you put your finger in there and swing it around. Don't do it with that open, kids. But anyways, yeah, it's got that little ring on there, so it's going to be sticking out of your pocket. But I guess that's cool if you need to whip it out real quick. I said whip it out. Anyways, pocket clip, tight but not impossible like that last knife I was looking at. Yeah, everything's real flush. The scales are nice and grippy. Interesting. So any other, yeah, they call it a hawk bill, but Karambit style knife, hawk bill, that's what we call it in the kitchen, hawk bill. Why did I not know that? So what else I got? What kind of info I got on this thing? It's pretty light, 4.5 ounces. It says right hand user, but it is reversible. I know, Blade HQ, you give me some bad info sometimes, guys. But what's the overall length on this thing? Yeah, it's probably under somewhere. 7.2. So 7.2 overall. So it's a shorter knife, but good size handle. You get your whole hand around there either way if you stick your finger in there or not. But first impressions, I kind of like it. Like I said, it's not really my style. The front flipper works fine. I mean, even with someone with messed up hands like me, I can do it like no problem. And it's real snappy. Oop, I missed it. Anyway, I'll stop playing. So pleasantly surprised with this one. So yeah, it's pretty nice. I'll mess with it and I'll tell you guys at the end of the month what my final thoughts are on it. And yeah, so like always, thank you guys for watching. Thank all the veterans out there. Thank you guys for doing what you did, and all the active duty guys. Keep your heads, keep your heads down. Be safe out there. Come home with all your limbs and stuff intact. Your family misses you. Thank you guys for watching. Talk to you later.